To recharge your camera DJI Osmo Action 3, you've got two simple options. The first one is to take a look on the left side of your camera. Just under the power button, you will find this little door with that arrow. So you press on the arrow and you push. Open that door and you got a USB-C connection. So take a USB cable connected to a power source connected to the camera, and you will see a blinking light over here saying that is actually charging. The other way, it's the one that I prefer, is to open that door, take out the battery, and you will use that charger kit. You can buy it from the link in the description, and inside you have 3 batteries. Actually it come with 2, but you can buy a separate battery. So green means the battery is charged. You can remove one battery, take the other one just right here, put it inside just like that, and well, actually it's charged. If it would not be charged, it would be red. And you can connect this one to the USB also, and while it is charging, you can already use your camera and you're ready to go.